Technology touches every corner of our lives, enhancing how we live, work, and entertain.
If you think about your home and all the devices that are connected, watches, your oven, think about your refrigerator, your washer and dryer now. We've got grills now on your deck that you can connect. TVs, sound systems, being able to control and harness all of those connected devices in one place, phenomenal experience.
Family owned and operated, Audio Video Specialist is known for personalized service and top-tier expertise. They don't simply sell you products. They design customized solutions that fit your lifestyle and budget.
Audio Video Specialist is more than just a company that sells AV gear. Our whole premise is to do personalized service to clients, really get to know them, find out how they're going to use their space, and then from that, we can formulate the right products and services that fits them as to just doing cookie cutter solutions. We're not looking just to sell equipment. We want to make sure that what we sell fits the client, not only their short-term goals, but their long-term goals. So we'll spend a lot of time with them to know where they want the end result to be. And then if their budget doesn't allow for all up front, we find ways to put it together in segments that fit their budget so that they can get what they want, but they're not having to rebuy products later to get there.
Creating a personalized system for each client starts with education. Educating the customers on the possibility of how their space can fit their lifestyle. Voice control is one of the biggest things we're seeing in home automation today. Being able to turn your lights on and off, or even say, hey, turn my lights on to 50% or dim. I want to be able to hear different music at different times.
Audio Video Specialist offers 24/7 support for technical issues with your system that we've installed for you. This means that at any time of the day, be it 1 o'clock on a Saturday and you're having a party and something doesn't turn on quite right, you can give us a call and we'll help troubleshoot that and try and get it working for you. Some custom installs we have done include doing invisible speakers throughout the whole first floor. That way the customer didn't see any speakers anywhere, but still gets all the benefits of the sound. Custom RGB lighting is very popular now, and that lets them set mood for each room individually or the home as a whole.
Whether it's movie night or game day, a custom home theater or whole house audio system makes every moment immersive.
Every client has a different budget need, and so we try to find a solution that fits that budgetary need, but also maximizing on the experience that they're going to get from that. And that's all about the upfront design and the time spent with the customer in the beginning. The whole house AV systems that we install start with the control system. And we use Nice Brand's control system. Allows you to have an app on your phone like this that you can see everything, have full control, or you could be at your office on the computer, pull up the app and be able to turn on your sprinklers outside. You can go to the touch panel in your kitchen, kick on the music and the lighting, or a wand remote when you're sitting on the couch. Anywhere you are, you have the same interface. Makes it very easy for people to use, and it's very user-friendly.
I chose Dan from Audio Video Specialist simply because of his transparency, his attention to detail, and his willingness to help achieve my goal. They made it very simple for me from the beginning, and it was a match made in heaven.
This type of high tech isn't just for movies and music. Home automation includes lights, shades, and even security and surveillance systems.
The experience is key. So after every install, we train thoroughly with the customer on the use of their new system, making sure they fully understand the ins and outs and how to have the best experience with that system.
If you're looking for a company that is going to put your needs and your experience ahead of everything else, we would be the right company for you. I would say that more than 75% of our clients are repeat clients, and it's because we care about them. We're just not trying to sell things to them. And if that's a company that appeals to you, then we're probably a right fit.
Ready to elevate and automate your space? Visit Audio Video Specialist's website, audiovideospecialists.net, or you can see this segment again on designingspaces.tv.